Today's video, I'm showing you how I made this homemade garlic, ginger, and turmeric paste. So this is my turmeric, my ginger, and garlic. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to peel the skin off, wash it neatly, and then put it in a blender, add water, and blend it smoothly. So guys, this is how I always preserve my garlic and ginger paste. I notice that whenever I blend it and put it in the fridge, within days it will just change color. So guys, once I'm done peeling this, I'm just going to put it in the bowl, wash it neatly, and then put it in the blender. So I decided to start using this method, and it works very well and easy going when it comes to cooking. So guys, once I'm done washing this, now I'm going to sieve it out and then put it in the blender, add water on it, and blend it to my desired taste. I like adding these spices whenever I'm cooking. So, but at the same time, I find it so difficult to peel off the skin. So guys, this is how I do it, and it's just easy when it comes to cooking. Once I'm done blending it, I'm going to pour it out in a bowl and then use the ice cube shape to fill it in and put it in the freezer. If you're the type that feels so lazy when it comes to peeling off the back of the garlic and ginger, this method will be good for you. So once I'm done filling it, I'm going to use a plastic foil to wrap it around and then put it in the freezer. Let it freeze. Once it's froze, I'm going to bring it out, take off the plastic foil, and then remove it and put it in the food storage bag and put them back in the freezer. Whenever I want to cook, it's just that easy. I'll go to the freezer, take the quantity I want, straight to the pot. This method is the best way of preserving your garlic and ginger paste, because whenever you leave it in the fridge, it will just change color within days. But this method will not change color, and it's easy when it comes to cooking. Alright guys, let me know in the comment section if this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please share it with family and friends. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section, and also follow me for more. Alright, bye.